Hey friends, today I will show you how to make Shinchan in a very easy manner. Let's go ahead without any delay. So, first we will make a curved line. It would be the head. Then we will do like this. You can see properly here. We will do like this, and just. Okay, the face is done. Okay, everyone can see. Yeah. Then from here I will make the collar and the neck, you can see. Then the t-shirt he wears, I'm not coloring, so you can color as your choice. Usually he wears red, as you can see. Now the pants, pant I have made with a different manner, you can use your way. Then legs, we have to be careful in the legs. Okay, we have to just do like this, then this and this, done. Shoes are done. We have to do like this only. You cannot make your own choice to do this. Okay, the shoes are done, and now let's focus on the face. One eyebrow, another. Okay, now one line. As you can see, I have given a little bit gap, so he looks fine. Eyes without any nose, a small mouth. Then we will make the hair, and you're done. Now just hands. I am making hands in a different manner, that he is doing V. As you can see here. So your Shinchan is ready.